because at the end of the day, this all-party meeting is going to happen.
The point is that the PDP, including Ms. Mufti, they have been saying we have a back channel talk with Pakistan, or we are trying to talk to Taliban. These are all international matters. This is about international policy. We're not talking to anybody for anything that needs to be done in this country. Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of this country.
Yep.
We're not going to go and talk to Pakistan about what needs to be done in Jammu and Kashmir to take it forward. You're saying we don't recognize you. So the reason you have been invited to this meeting is because you are recognized. You have been important parties in the state. You have been, obviously. And that is the reason you have been called to these meetings. But the problem is that if you keep on harping on the same band again and again, where are we talking about Naya Pakistan? The center is, they have said, and we are resolved, we are committed that we want to take the election process forward. We want to get the statehood back. But again, where are the circumstances? Where is that movement from your end? You are saying there is no difference. You are saying there is no development that has happened in Jammu and Kashmir in the past 2 years. So this was the first time, and this was coming from a journalist yesterday I was on a debate with. He said this is for the first time that Kashmir has seen snow and electricity together. That is the difference that has come in, the development, the investment that has gone in, the terrorism has gone down, the youth recruitment has gone down. So if you can't see all of those things, just because you're wearing blinkers and you don't want to see anything apart from Pakistan, that is your issue. No, obviously you're not on the same page.
Firdaus, I'll come to you in a moment, because it's the tone of voice. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and direct how politicians should speak. They are, Mehbooba Mufti is a credible, respected politician in Kashmir, and she has the right to say what she wants. My question is about intent. By, naming Pakistan as a stakeholder in an already complicated issue, which has, gone back to square one at the smallest of provocations, one has to always question what was the need to do that at a time when you've got this elaborate outreach as far as Naya Kashmir is concerned.